Hello friends, welcome back to Wisdom Academy for English Grammar Lessons. In today's series, we will learn about the parts of speech, the 8 main parts of speech, how a word is used in a sentence, and of course with some examples. So let us start. What is a parts of speech? Parts of speech tells us how a word is used in a sentence. Every word in English has certain functions to do, and every word has its parts of speech. Please look at the figure in your monitor. Here you will find the 8 main parts of speech, say noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. A hypothetical diagram is displayed for a quick glance to know about the parts of speech. Now let us get into the details. The first one being the noun. What is a noun? A noun is the name of person, place, things, or idea. Examples for name of person are Ashok, Deepak, Nisha, et al. And for places, Baroda, Mumbai, India, etc. And for things, chair, pen, laptop, etc. For idea, hope, fees, friendship, etc. What's a pronoun? A pronoun is used in place of a noun. See the example, Ashok is tired. He wants to sleep. Here the noun Ashok is replaced by the pronoun he in the second sentence. Some common pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, she, her, he, etc. In the second example, I want him to have a walk with me. Here, I, him, and me are pronouns. What is a verb? A verb shows an action or state of being. State of being means a situation or shows someone or something is doing. For example, he swim. Here, swim is an action. And the next, Ashok wrote a letter to his brother. Here, write is an action. The past tense of write is wrote. Okay, and moving to the next, the adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to describe a person, place, or thing, or add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, he is a brave boy. Here, boy is a noun, and the word brave is added to the noun boy to describe what type of boy he is. Means he is a brave boy. Likewise, in the second example, the little boy had a pink hat. Again, little is an adjective and pink is an adjective. Moving to the next, adverb. What's an adverb? An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or an adverb. It tells how, where, when, etc. Many adverbs generally ends in ly, like slowly, quickly, quietly, never, very, to, etc. See the example, I usually busy. Yesterday I ate my lunch quickly. These are the adverbial clause too, usually and quickly. Next, I am very happy to see you. Very is again an adverb. He never tells a lie. Never is again an adverb. Moving to the next, the preposition. Preposition shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. They can indicate time, place, or relationship. For example, I left my mobile on the table for you. On and for, these are the preposition. Another example is the frog sat in the flower. In the flower, in is again a preposition. Coming to the conjunction, a conjunction join two or more words, idea, phrase, or clause. For example, Ashok and Ravi are brothers. The and is used here to connect the two, Ashok and Ravi. I ran fast but missed the train. But is again a conjunction is used. So here in the case of word, we can say tired but happy. But is used as a conjunction. For phrase, by the river or near the lake. This is a phrase because no subject or verb combination is there. And it's a clause, the lion roared and the mouse ran. Here and is used as a conjunction. And the last but not the least, the interjection. It shows excitement or emotion. It is a short exclamation like congratulations, wow, hi, etc. For example, oh, the jump was amazing. Alas, she is dead. And this is about an overview of the parts of speech. We will learn in more detail about the kinds of noun, pronoun, etc. in the next video, part 2 of parts of speech. Till then, we are signing out. Thanks, friend. We would request you to put your comments beside like and share our videos. Please do subscribe our channel to get our regular update. Thank you very much.